All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of my JT 23 16 by 20 choice. This is number 2. So we'll check the time, March 20th at 8:20 p.m. We're going to go over to the Raz and type live. We have March 20th at 8:20 p.m. There is the list of our 11 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 9 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Zach. Spot 6 is your winner. So Zach, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code. Our timestamp once again, March 20th. 8:21 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.